Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Hernandez Pacheca. I'm studying bachelor's degree in English in Carthage University. I am first semester. So in this opportunity, I have the honor to present you one topic important when we speak with others. I'm talking about word stress. Here you can see some examples. Here you can see 3 words and they look similar, don't they? But do they sound the same when spoken? Well, we are going to see. In the first one, you emphasize the first syllable, photograph. In the second one, you emphasize the second syllable, photographer. And in the third one, we emphasize the third syllable, photographic. You see that they don't pronounce or sound the same. Here you can see in the picture the emphasized syllable with a circle green, in a green circle. But first of all, we need to give a meaning about what is a word stress. So in English, we do not say each syllable with the same force or strength. In one word, we accentuate one syllable. We say one syllable very loudly, big, strong, important, and all the other syllables very quietly. And in this topic, there are 2 very rules about word stress. The first one word, one stress. One word cannot have 2 stresses. So if you hear 2 stresses, you have heard 2 words. No, not one word. Second one, the stress is always on a vowel. Here you can see some examples, like develop, email, realize, afternoon, until, engineer, resolve, understand, Halloween, appreciate. If you notice, I emphasize all the syllables that is, in this case, are red. Okay, in this part you are going to select one correct answer. Well, the correct answer that you see is the probably correct pronunciation about these words. So let's start. A. Which photograph do you like best? First one or second one? B. I want to be a photographer. First one or second one? C. I can't decide which book to buy. First one, second one. D. Could you understand what she was saying? First one, second one. I give you some minutes, some seconds to choose the correct answer. And at the end of the season, I'm going to present you or show you the correct answer. So here you can see the correct answer. A. First one, photograph. B. Second one, photographer. C. The second one, decide. And D. Second one, understand. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and also I hope that you understand what was I explaining in this video. So I will see you in the next season, and thank you so much. Bye bye.